Greystone Nature Preserve is a 71-acre green oasis perched on the rolling hills of the Portage Escarpment in western New York State. The spectacular views of Lake Erie and the far Canadian shore foster inspiration and reflection.
In 1998, the land was put into a conservatory for the purpose of planting, nurturing, and allowing native trees to flourish. The hundreds of trees already planted are now protected for 7 generations and dedicated to live on to become an ancient forest, a natural gift for our children's children.
We also provide educational activities based in nature to community members of all ages and ability levels. Our programs are centered around the personal needs and interests of our learners. Experiential environmental education is our hallmark, with skilled leaders who strive to develop an appreciation and respect for nature.
By immersing our learners in nature with a sense of heightened awareness and awe, we see the very small wonders of nature and find the connections to our own lives.
At Greystone Nature Preserve, we explore nature and discover ourselves.
Our questing program was developed to instill a sense of accomplishment as visitors step into the world of nature.
Some of the many areas of exploration include Native American philosophy, where a 22-foot teepee and an authentic medicine wheel bring a vanishing culture to our modern world. For developing reflective and meditation aspects, we offer a labyrinth and a series of fantastic Lake Erie horizons.
Aquatic study is assessed through a pond and a creek. Self-sufficiency and horticulture merge in an excursion or actual planting program in our extensive organic gardens. We introduce the natural world to our visitors with personal and up-close interactions with frogs, dogs, and chicken flock.
Historical studies are presented in our Frontier Cabin and our Heritage Trees collection, including offsprings of a Johnny Appleseed tree and a locust which witnessed the Gettysburg Address. Our woods trails offer activities to stimulate thinking about migrations and homesteading. Working a 2-man saw puts the visitors into the pioneer mode in a truly visceral way. Low ropes elements throughout the preserve invite physical development while fostering teamwork and cooperation. During the summer months, a variety of entertaining programs also occur. Aqua Day, a long day festival which celebrates a divergent array of the various aspects of water, allows the public to learn and appreciate this vital element. From toddler garden projects to house concerts and gourmet organic dinners, we strive to invite all community members to become familiar with Greystone and our environmental mission. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Greystone Nature Preserve.